Hello students, this is your history class. Your first chapter is the medieval Europe, rise and spread of Christianity. First of all, you just know about this word medieval. The meaning of this word is middle age. So this chapter is all about the middle age Europe, rise and spread of Christianity. How did Christianity rise and spread in Europe? Okay. Key concept of these chapters are the medieval age developments. So, what were the developments? What developments were there in the Middle Age Europe? And founder of Christianity. Who found Christianity? Spread of Christianity. Fall of the ancient Roman Empire. How did the ancient Roman Empire fall? And about the Byzantine Empire. The emergence of Turks and Crusades. How did the Turks and Crusades emerged in मिडिल एज यूरोप? मतलब कैसे तर्क्स और क्रूसेड्स मिडिल एज यूरोप में प्रकट हुए. ओके. मोनास्ट्रीज एंड देयर इम्पैक्ट. व्हाट वर द इम्पैक्ट्स of the monasteries and what were monasteries in the Middle Age Europe. This all things you will study in this chapter. The medieval age. The Middle Age. Okay. There are three main periods in the history: ancient, medieval, and the modern. So students, in history there are three main periods, which are ancient, medieval, and the modern. Ancient means the past time, medieval means the middle time, and the modern means the new time or new trend. Okay. Ancient का मतलब होता है आपका पुराना समय. medieval means जो बीच का समय है, और मॉडर्न मीन्स जो नया समय है. ओके. मतलब जो आपका पिछले जो पुराने समय की बातें हैं वो सब एंशिएंट में आते हैं, और मिडिवल में जो बीच का समय है वो आता है, और मॉडर्न में जो नया समय है या नया ज़माना है वो आता है. मिडिवल पीरियड रेफर्स टू द टाइम पीरियड बिटवीन द एंशिएंट एंड द मॉडर्न पीरियड. सो it is the time period between the ancient and the modern. So जो आपका एंशिएंट और मॉडर्न के बीच का समय है वो आपका मिडिवल एज में आता है और मिडिल एज में आता है. द वर्ड मिडिवल हैज़ बीन derived from two words of Latin language. So from where this medieval word came? It came from the two words of Latin language, medius and avum. ये आपका लैटिन लैंग्वेज के दो शब्दों से आया है जो हैं मीडियस और एवम, विच मीन्स मिडिल एज, जिनका मतलब होता है मिडिल एज. इन यूरोप द मिडिवल पीरियड स्ट्रेच फ्रॉम 500 AD टू 1500 AD. यूरोप में जो मिडिल एज था वो 500 AD से 1500 AD तक था. अब यहाँ पर एक शब्द है AD. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? सो इट मीन्स एनो डोमिनी. स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट confuse with this word AD because many people uses this word as after death, but it is not after death. It is anno domini, which means in the year of our Lord. इसका मतलब यह है कि एडी का मतलब होता है एनो डोमिनी, मतलब जो लोग थे वो मानते थे कि उनके प्रभु के दिन थे वो. इट रेफर्स टू द बर्थ ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट. ओके. इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री it stretches from the 8th century to 18th century AD. Okay, but in Indian history, the middle age was from 8th century to 18th century AD. Okay, during this period many powerful social, political, economic and religious changes took place all over the world. So students, during this period many changes took place all over the world, like social, political, economic and religious changes. Okay, social means सामाजिक, political means राजनीतिक, economic means जो हमारा आर्थिक स्थिति है, एंड रिलीजियस चेंजेस धर्म के संबंध में जो भी चेंजेस आए थे वो सब इस समय में आए थे पूरे संसार में, which greatly affected the world history and because of which the world history was affected. Okay, it began with the fall of the Western Roman Empire and which began with the fall of Western Empire, merged into the Renaissance and Age of Discovery, and which merged into Renaissance and the Age of Discovery. In the early years of 11th century, Prophet Muhammad founded Islam and the Arab civilization became the most advanced in the medieval world. So, in 11th century, Prophet Muhammad founded Islam. Who founded Islam? Prophet Muhammad in 11th century. And the Arab civilization became the most advanced in the medieval world. And Arab civilization, and during this time Arab civilization become most advanced, means it became advanced in technology and other fields. Okay, socio-political system of the world. In the beginning of the medieval period, Europe went through the dark age due to the decline of the Roman Empire. मिडिवल एज की शुरुआत में जो यूरोप था उसको डार्क एज का सामना करना पड़ा. किस वजह से? रोमन एम्पायर के डिक्लाइन होने की वजह से, मतलब उसकी बर्बादी की वजह से. caused by the deposition of the last Roman ruler in around 476 AD. रोमन एम्पायर का डिक्लाइन कैसे हुआ था? जो लास्ट रोमन रूलर था वो डिपोज्ड हो गया था 476 AD में. ओके, डिपोजिशन मीन्स उसकी पोजीशन उससे छीन ली गई थी. द वीकनिंग ऑफ द पावर ऑफ द किंग्स लेड टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ न्यू सोशल सिस्टम. एंड जैसे ही किंग्स की पावर कमज़ोर हो गई वैसे ही एक नया सोशल सिस्टम आ गया, विच वाज नोन एज फ्यूडलिज्म. It was a combination of legal and military customs. This system was based on power of the land, feudal lords provided lands to their vassals, who in turn rendered military services to the lords. Okay, students. So feudalism was a combination of legal and military customs. Okay, in this system, the feudal lords means the landlords or big landlords provides lands to their vassals, means to their servants, who in turn rendered military services to the lords, and who in return gives them military services. Uh, Means the landlords provide them a piece of land, and in return they used to give military services to the landlords. Okay, peasants worked on these lands, and the peasants means farmers used to work on these lands. Okay, however they suffered greatly due to the power in the hands of feudal lords, and because the power of the lands were in the hands of landlords, and because of that the farmers, even working hard, they suffer great, means they were working hard in the field, and after that they are getting less wages from the landlords, means they do not get the proper wages from the landlord. In Europe, early medieval period covers the time period from the 5th to 10th century. So जो शुरुआत का जो मिडिवल पीरियड था वो 5th से 10th सेंचुरी एडी तक था. In this period, the Christian church had a great influence over the European society. और इस समय जो क्रिश्चियन चर्च थे वो यूरोपियन सोसाइटी में बहुत ज़्यादा उनका इन्फ्लुएंस था, मतलब उनका बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा था. एंड हैंस it is called an age of faith, and because of which it called an age of faith. It was the duty of the church to look after the spiritual welfare of the body. Okay. Students, spiritual welfare means to develop the good qualities in the people. So it was the duty of the church to develop the good qualities in people. At the same time, since the spirit of inquiry and rationalism was not encouraged, it was called the Dark Age. Dark Age era was often branded as the time of war, ignorance, famine, and pandemics. So it was the time. Dark Age was the time of war, ignorance, famine and pandemics. डार्क एज जो समय था उस समय वहाँ पे वार होते थे, युद्ध होते थे, इग्नोर करते थे एक दूसरे को, फेमाइन वहाँ पे सूखा पड़ गया था, एंड पेंडेमिक्स वहाँ पे महामारी थी. ओके, नाउ क्रूसेड्स और सीरीज ऑफ होली वार्स वर फॉट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लेट मिडिवल पीरियड. सो crusade means series of holy wars. Holy wars means धार्मिक युद्ध. ओके, वर फॉट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लेट मिडिवल पीरियड. जो मिडिल एज का जो लास्ट का समय था, ठीक है, उस समय ये जो वार था हो रहा था मुस्लिम्स और क्रिश्चियंस के बीच में फॉर अराउंड 200 ईयर्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1095 AD. ओके, सो ये कम से कम 200 साल तक ये जो होली वार था क्रिश्चियंस और मुस्लिम के बीच में चला, जो कि 1095 से स्टार्ट हुआ था, 1095 AD से स्टार्ट हुआ था. टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ मिडिवल पीरियड ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स रिजल्टेड इन द बर्थ ऑफ न्यू मूवमेंट कॉल्ड रेनेसेंस. और जैसे ही जो हमारा मिडिवल पीरियड था वो ख़त्म होने पे आया, ये सब इन सब की वजह से एक नया मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ जिसका नाम था Renaissance. Okay. Renaissance refers to the age of new spirit of adventure and learning. So students, Renaissance means the age of new spirit of adventure and learning, means it was the time to learn the new things. Okay. The effect of this movement were soon seen all over the world. एंड जैसे ही ये जो मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ, इसका जो इफेक्ट था पूरे संसार में दिखना शुरू हो गया था.